Okay. So beyond the material world and below the spiritual world, there is a place called Mahesh Dham. Mahesh Dham. And this Mahesh Dham is a place where Sadashiv stays. So that's it's also called a Sadashiva Lok. So Sadashiv is there. So when Sadashiv is a expansion of Sankarshan, Sadashiv and Mahavishnu, they are not different. So from Sadashiv comes Shambhu, who is the glance of Mahavishnu. He is Shambhu, glance of Mahavishnu. And from Shambhu, which is the glance of Mahavishnu, expands the 11 Rudras. Among the Rudra, one of the Rudras is Shankar. His name is Shankar. And when this Shankar, he takes Ganges on his head, Ganga को अपने जटा में धारण करते हैं, he is called as Shiva. Okay, the Shankar becomes Shiva. Okay, Hare Krishna. We can pause the recording.